going. Stop it.
That's not good.
I'm holding up. I'm holding the lead.
On the last one, a couple people asked about this car. This, to me, is the cheapest Supra that is turbo in 2021. We all know the outrageous prices of this. We got this thing for 24 grand. It was turbocharged already, had a Gatrack 6-speed in it, and it is a original Baltic blue, all VINs matching. So this car was originally Baltic blue, was originally an NA 5-speed with tan interior. Somebody has changed it out to black interior, and they've painted it a terrible, like marble blue, and they've just ruined the paint. So we're gonna strip the rest of the car down, and because it's not original, once we put an engine and everything in it, we're gonna go white on it.
Shake the shit out of it.
Not solid. Steve, I'll tell you when to stop. Keep going. Keep going. One more lock set and then put it down. Alright, no.
It's not going. Stop it.
That's not good.
I'm holding the release. I'm holding the release. So it ain't going anywhere. I got the release, so.
Well, the Supra tried to lift the house. The momentary switch in the lift got stuck in the up position, obviously. Bumped the pillar. It did not damage anything, so now that panic attack's over, we're going to start stripping underneath this car, and we're going to start doing the inside of the engine bay so we can kick it off the paint.
Nick 1 went to, I don't know, Menards or Home Depot, got some bins. So we're gonna label the bins, put the parts in there. We got some gloves and plastic bags that we're gonna label the hardware for, so that way when we reassemble, we know exactly where everything goes.
Everything we take off, we're gonna take pictures, so when we go put it back together, we can put it back exactly correct, because neither of us have worked on a Supra before, and it's gotta be top notch, so that's what we're gonna do. Let's do it. No glove, no love, dude. And because I don't want to get my hands dirty because I'm a press.
Super press.
Oh, dude, look at the hives in there.
Oh, cheers. You didn't even cheers me, bro.
Oh. All right, so we've well, let's show them what we've been doing here.
Come on down to Super Lane. Don't drink and gimbal, kids.
Yeah.
All right, so we started in the rear end here and didn't make much progress, but we have a different plan of attack. So we got all the easy shit off the back, and we decided we're gonna lower the car back down, work on the front end, and then we're gonna disassemble everything up here and in the front. Sub-brace, rear sub-brace, and then lift the car up with the lift, so that way all this will be detached and it's a lot less labor. So we are going to switch gears and attack the front end.
Yeah, so I mean, like I said earlier, off camera, I feel like when we start dropping this heavy shit, it's gonna teeter, and then we'll for sure have an ornament on the ceiling. So
yeah, we don't want that.
Yeah, let's lower it. Come on now.
All right, time to attack the front end. All right, Nick, where are we at here?
All right, so we got everything loosened off the subframe. All our wires are out. Be careful because it's dripping brake fluid.
Oh, she's squirting.
So we're gonna lower it. Let's get it so it's got a decent amount of pressure on the tires, and then we'll undo the strut towers, and then I'll crawl underneath and I'll undo the subframe bolts, and we'll lift it back up.
Perfect, yeah. And then the body should separate from the chassis.
Yeah.
If all goes well.
If all goes well, yes.
All right.
Let's do it.
Let her rip. Super clean.
Clean, dude.
Super clean, saving the day.
Dirty Mike and the boys came over. This is now the ref shack. It's completely disassembled.
Yes.
Everything's out of the car.
Yeah, we just got to get rid of some wiring harnesses that are running through the vehicle. Start working on disassembling some last minute pieces in the interior. We were able to get the gas tank out, so that was pretty sweet. And then we got to remove glass. And that's basically it. And then off to blasting.
Yeah, it's gonna get media blasted or
Off the
soda
blasting.
blasted.
Soda pop.
So that'll be it for this one. Thanks for tuning in.